In this lesson video, we'll cover some additional techniques around headers and footers. We will discuss how to duplicate them and also how to delete them. First, we will learn how to duplicate headers and footers from one sheet to another. As an example, activate the Page Layout View mode. Then click on the header area. Let's quickly add some header content using presets. We can use the second one from below. Excel will add your username or your name on the left side, then add a page number at the center and the date on the right side. For this page number, let's just delete it because we will add the page number in the footer section. We can type it manually, but let's use the header and footer menu. Select the second footer preset. And this is the result. Let's assume that we already like the header and footer and we want to use them across all worksheets. Now, notice if we create one or several more worksheets, we can check one of these new worksheets. If we go to the Page Layout View mode, we can see that the header and footer in the sheet are still empty. So, in conclusion, Excel does not automatically apply headers and or footers to new worksheets. To duplicate the header and footer, first, make sure we are on the worksheet that we want to duplicate. In our case, it is Sheet 1. Then, we also need to select all the sheets that we want to target. To do this, you need to hold Ctrl, then click the sheets one by one. Or, if the sheets that you want to select are lined up, just select the first sheet and then hold down the Shift key and click on the last sheet. We can see now that we have multiple sheets selected, but there is only one active worksheet, which is the first one that we want to duplicate. In this condition, just click on one of the header or footer areas, and that's it, it is done. The header and footer from the first sheet have been duplicated to the other sheets. We can prove it by selecting this sheet, for example. Open the Page Layout View mode. We can see that the header and also the footer are exactly the same as the first sheet. The last technique we want to cover is removing the header or footer. If you want to remove a header or footer from a sheet, make sure the sheet is open first. You don't want to delete the header or footer on the wrong sheet. Then click on the header or footer area. You can delete the content manually by selecting them and then pressing delete. But there is a faster way, and that is by using the preset. So, in the header and footer menu, select None in the header preset. For the footer is basically the same. We can select the footer area, or we can just select the header area, as long as we can access the header and footer menu. Then select None in the footer preset. Now, both the header and the footer have been deleted.